Go ahead and click on product reviews. Basically, you've gone to the Shopify store and you've added the app. It is a free app and it's created through Shopify. So here we have some reviews that are already added into the site. A couple of settings that I originally do when you first log in is go to settings and then change the enabled new reviews are checked for spam and automatically published. Change it to disabled, manually publish reviews. You don't want people putting bull crap on your website there for you. So, and then you select send me an email when a review is submitted. So you're already set there. I've already set that up, and then leave all the other default settings. You can play around with those below. It just has to do with color and the stars and everything, the way they look. Okay, so I'll go back over here to product reviews, and then if I want to see them based on the product, I can say unpublished, published, flag, spam. You can put check boxes here. You can delete. You can actually delete these guys. So say, for instance, there's an issue with, you want to unpublish a review so no one sees them. You want to delete them, etc. So you can do that here. The other thing, you can click on products, and you can see them based on actually what the products are. There's only 4 right now that I have in here. So let's see what the rating and reviews are. It shows you the ratings for 5 stars, 4 published reviews, and then say this one was a bad review or something, you can just select the one, and then you can unpublish it, right? Or you can delete it or whatever, right? So it's easier to control them. When the review does come in, it will be emailed. You'll log in, click on the apps, then you click on, and it'll show you the review within this list here. And then you'll be able to click on it and publish it. It'll say status, I think it says pending, and then you click on that and then you can publish it. Okay, so once you figure out, and that's a good way to control it, otherwise people start putting stuff in there you don't want them to see. Okay, next, so say for instance you want to import a bunch of reviews to your products. You go up here and you go to the export tab, you click that, it downloads a CSV file called reviews.csv, and then you go ahead and open that in your Excel or numbers template. I have it's set up as let's see here. Here's the default one. We'll open it. Okay, so I had those reviews in there, so when I exported it, it gave me this particular set. But usually it'll show you just the first product that you have in the store that has a review. So if you notice these products, you have product handle, state, rating, title, author, email, location, body. These are generic emails because I don't know, the reviews were given to us, but there's no emails attached, so it doesn't really matter what's here. So if you notice this is the product handle for the product itself, and then this is going to be the state if it's published or not published, what the rating is, 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, and then your title would be at the very top, good quality, product quality, the author, email, location, and then the body of what it is, my wife loves it, whatever. Your reply, if you're going to have anything in there, thank you, you don't have to fill that out. Created on, you're going to want to put the dates that it's created on. It doesn't matter about the time, you can just leave them by default. Year, month, day, okay? So, and then it has your response time. So if you put a response in there, reply that, say you put in thank you, it's always nice to put in the time that's in here too. So, you can put in whatever this and then copy it there. It doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and add reviews to the next set of products. So we have the Taroko shampoo 253 milliliter here. And where am I getting this? You actually go to the website itself, and you're going to go ahead and find the product. At the very top, I don't have it where you can see it. Let me see if I can drag this down a little bit. There we go. Okay, so here's my product handle. It's Taroko shampoo 253 ml 86 fluor, and then you stop right before the question mark. So you copy that guy right there, right? And you're going to go ahead and place that into this here, right? So 253, I already did it. It's published. I know that I have 5 stars for this or whatever, so Okay, so I'm going to go back into the actual where I got my reviews, and then here's the title of what it says, the first top title portion of it. There's no person for this. We'll go ahead and make up this one, and then make sure you put the people in for each one, right? So you want the same reviews. The way that you have your shampoo set up is you have them set up as individual products, right? In this particular store, some people don't have them this way, but here's the shampoo, and you have it as the 45 253, so they can easily order them. And then if you click on an actual product, it'll take you to the product page, and then you also have the ability to select those, which is pretty cool, and it makes it easier for people to find product. It's a pretty smart way of doing things. Gives you a little extra work, but these are individual products anyway. Okay, so now if I scroll down here, I don't have any reviews for this product, right? So I want to see the product reviews. So what I need to do is to add them to each of these handles. So in that case where I got that one with the title, right, for what it was luxurious, right? Say it was 5 stars. I don't know who it is. Let's just say Kevin G, right? And then Kevin at AOL. I just make up these email addresses. When people submit them, they will come in with their email address, okay? So the body of it, in this case, is going to be, try this shampoo, etc., right? And I go back into my Excel document here, and I paste it in there. I'll tab over, no reply from me, but I do have to put in the date, right? So if you look at this, May 19th, 2019, so I'll go ahead and put in 2019 was it 5 19, and I'll just put in 16, I don't know, 40, I'll just copy that, 40 12 dash 040, it doesn't matter, it's just a time slot, right? So now that one's in there for that product, right? Well, I need to do them for each of the products, right? So in this case, I've got that first review, and I want all 4 of those reviews to show up for this product, right? So all these reviews. So 1, this one here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 reviews for this. So I need to go and do 5 times. So if I look at this, see how I have these here? I need to copy this 4 more times. So I'll put one here, put one here, put one here, and one here. These are going to be all the reviews for this product. So now I have the same product, right? It's all going to be assigned to the same product. It's published, there's 5 stars. Now the title for the next one is Excellent Shampoo, right? They go here, and they got their name here, so Veronica A. Veronica at AOL, doesn't matter, .com, Texas, we'll just make up somewhere. Okay. August 3rd, size, single, verified purchase. Okay, so here's the description. Okay. All right, that goes there. Well, that's really long. Let me grab this first. And then let's grab this. And hit a space there. That's being goofy, so I gotta put them in one line at a time here. What a pain. Okay, next. And one more. Oops. Okay, then I tab over. I didn't do any response. I got to put in when it was sent in, so August 3rd. So I'll just change this to 8/3. Okay, and then that's good there. Next one down. Gotta do this one. Sharon. She doesn't say anything. 5 out of 5 stars. We'll just make up a title. Alright, wonderful. Sharon comes to Tennessee. I don't know. Okay, and we will grab Love This Shampoo. Goes there. The date is September 8th. So it changes to 9, 8. Okay. And then the next one down. Okay, that smell. Copy that one. Goes here. ACL. Macy, AOL.com. Let's do Maryland. Okay, we'll grab the description. Goes there. And the date, April 12th, 2016. So change that to 6, 4, 12. Okay. And then the last one, Heavenly Experience. Goes here. Name. Email. Whatever. CA. Description. And then you go to here and you have 2014, September 5. Change that to a 4, 9, 4. Okay, so now we have this one product, and now it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So now we need to do the other products that are in the same line, okay? So if I look at the next one, right, it's the 475. This one's called copy of because the product was copied. So we need to grab this guy all the way up to the question mark, okay? But what I usually do is I'll go ahead and copy this line, then add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you grab all these, 1 through 5, copy all those, paste them, and now we need to change the handle and leave everything else the same. And then you'll have the same reviews for the next product. So now I'll grab this handle, go back in here, change it, change it, change it, change it, change it. Now we have another product. This one here, the 664, 2, whatever. Okay, so now I need to do the same thing. Grab all those, all 5, make 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Paste all those. Oops, here. Add that. There we go. Okay, so now I've got the next one down over. So I need to grab the handle from this guy. This one's Taroko, blah, 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 up to there. Copy the handle. Now replace that one. Okay, now go, I think I need to do one more. Let me see. Got another one? Nope. Okay. So all I did was I clicked on each of the products. It opened up a new product window, right? And then I grabbed the handle from each one. So I'm going to go ahead and close this down, these guys. So I'm going to import these just so you could see what this looks like, okay? So now that I've done that, all right, I'll go ahead and save this guy. I'm going to export it as a CSV file, okay? And I'll just call it, whatever, reviews update. Let's throw you in here. Template. I'll just call it new. You can rename it if you want, whatever. But let's just call it new. And now I'll go back into the admin, and I'm gonna go import reviews, and then import using month day. Don't worry about that. Click on choose file, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my reviews file that I just made, my CSV file, and it's gonna have duplicate issues because some of them are already entered. Don't worry about that. Import reviews. It's going to take a few minutes. Let it do its thing. So it's going to skip a bunch because there were duplicates, right? And then it says 15 were imported success, 16 was skipped. So I go ahead and close it. Now if I go over to the hair care products before I refresh, so you notice there's no reviews on these guys. So now I'll refresh and I should see all the reviews. Okay, so I missed that one. Whatever that one is, so the 45. So they're all the exact same reviews. So if I click on one, scroll down now on the product page, now you'll see all the reviews. And it does them in order of the newest to oldest. Okay, so Sharon F, blah, 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 here my review, report, blah, 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 right? So it's all wonderful. So I did miss one, so let's go ahead and do that one. That's this guy right here. Taroko shampoo. So that's just a generic. Look at that. That's the title because it's the main. It was the first product we put in there, so that's why it did it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and add this one into the file. So go ahead and copy all 5 of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Paste all those. Then I go back and I grab the handle. And then I'll paste those in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I save it. I'll export it again as a CSV file. Hit next. I go ahead and I'm just gonna export it as template 1. Doesn't matter. Replace. Okay, and then I go back into product import, import reviews, CSV file, reviews template, import reviews. It's going to take a few minutes. If there's a lot of them in there, it'll take a while. So it's only going to import 3. 5 were imported. That's right. Sorry, 5 were imported. So now if I go back over here, and I look at the product, I don't have any reviews yet. I refresh the page. And now I've got my reviews. So if I go over to hair care, now all of them have the same amount of reviews.